Hey everyone, welcome to the Vela channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install OptiFine for Minecraft. First, we need to decide which Minecraft version we want OptiFine for. Let's start by launching the Minecraft launcher. Here you can see the versions you have installed. For example, if I want 1.21, we'll go and download for 1.21. If you already have installations and you have other game versions, then just search OptiFine for Minecraft 1.2.1.4, choose the first site, download the file, run it, select your Minecraft folder and click Install. After that, click OK and OptiFine will appear in your launcher. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.